Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to create a Tunisian foundation row. Here I have a size 6 hook and some cotton yarn, and I've loosely crocheted 20 chain stitches. And now I'm going to insert my hook into the back bump of the second chain from my hook. So if you look, there is the V stitches of the chain. If I turn it over, there is the back bumps. There is the first stitch, and here is the second stitch, and I will go through that stitch, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Next I'll go to the third bump, yarn over, draw up a loop. Here's the fourth bump, go through that, yarn over, draw up a loop. I'm going to do that all the way across my 20 chain. And I just want to thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. You can always leave a comment. Feedback is appreciated. This is my first attempt at doing something like this, so any help is appreciated. Okay, we're on to the last few stitches. Maybe you're working along with me. I am using this cotton yarn. It's a bit stiff and a little difficult to use. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 stitches. There we go. 20 stitches. Now the first stitch is going to create a selvage edge. So you're going to yarn over and draw through 1 loop, and that is going to be your selvage edge on the left side. And we're now doing the return pass. That's what that's called. So I'm going to yarn over, go through 2 loops, 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 and just carry on. I'm keeping the tension with my finger. I have it wrapped like this so that my yarn overs don't get too big or too tight, so that each stitch has the proper amount of tension in it to create a nice even fabric. Okay, now I'm on the last one, and the loop on my hook is going to be counted as the first stitch of the next row. So there you have a Tunisian crochet foundation row. Now some anatomy of this foundation row would be that, first of all, I've already said that this loop on my hook is the first stitch of the second row. So this is the first stitch. Oops, let's see, get a close-up. This would be the first stitch of the foundation row, the second stitch, third stitch, and so on and so forth. So depending on your project and your instructions in that project, and the stitch being used, you will put the hook for the second row into a certain space. So these are called the front vertical bars. Right behind them, right to the back, is the back vertical bar. Let's see, that's a bit, there we go. There's the back vertical bar. There's a horizontal bar. There's also a horizontal bar to the back. And then there's the space between the stitches. So depending on the pattern, you'll insert your hook into one of those places or another place that they might mention. And that's it. Thank you for watching.